Is your gamepad or controller not working in The Elder Scrolls 4: Oblivion Remastered on PC? Whether you're using an Xbox controller, PlayStation DualShock/DualSense, or any generic USB gamepad, this step-by-step guide will show you how to get your controller detected and working perfectly in Oblivion Remastered on Windows 11 or Windows 10.
Open your Start menu and type Device Manager. Open the Device Manager. Expand Human Interface Devices. Right-click HID Compliant Game Controller and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click on Disable. Disabling this device will cause it to stop functioning. Do you really want to disable it? Press Yes. Now press Enable and check if your controller is working. If that didn't work, select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for driver software. Click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your HID-compliant game controller. Press Next. Restart your computer to apply the changes. Now your controller should be working. First open Steam. Open Settings. Open Controller. Disable Enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers. Disable Enable Steam Input for generic controllers.